Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can redeem secret codes in Clash Royale. So here, as you can see, I'm already on Clash Royale. So what you have to do is simply make sure that you're logged in into Clash Royale first. So here, as you can see, if I go to my Supercell ID section, right over here, do have logged in into my Supercell account. And yeah, I've been playing this game and I do have it. So you just gotta make sure that you have your account right over here. So once you have logged in your account, what you gotta do is just switch to browser. And inside browser, you gotta search up store.supercell.com and it will bring you to this server here. So first up, you just gotta make sure that you log in ID and specifically just tap on Clash Royale. And right over here, you can see that you just need to log in into your ID. Once you log in, it will give you the option of code. So yeah, you just gotta go ahead and press on login. And over here, you gotta enter your email. And once you have entered your email, it will ask you for the verification and everything. Once you have verified your account, it will show you the redeem code option directly. So make sure you just simply just sign in with your Clash Royale account, and after that you're good to go. You can just simply redeem your secret codes in Clash Royale. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.